The Varanasi court has given an important verdict on the alleged Shivling dispute in Gyanvapi Mosque in Uttar Pradesh. The court has ordered clubbing all the petitions related to the case together and added that all the cases related to the dispute will be heard together in the same court. District Judge A.K. Vishweshwar gave the verdict that all the 7 cases related to the Gyanvapi Mosque will be heard together in the same court. During the hearing, an appeal was made to the court that the 7 cases related to the Gyanvapi episode are of the same nature and should be heard together. The district judge had summoned the files related to different cases. The statements of all the parties in the case have already been recorded. Meanwhile, on Monday, the Muslim side filed its objection before the Varanasi District Court to a petition seeking a direction to the Archaeological Survey of India or ASI to survey the entire Gyanvapi Mosque complex. Earlier, the Supreme Court on Friday had deferred the scientific survey to determine the age of purported shivling found at Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi, underscoring that they need to tread carefully in this matter. The top court was hearing a plea challenging the May 12th Allahabad High Court order of conducting a scientific survey, including carbon dating, to determine the age of the structure. Since the implication of the impugned order merited closer scrutiny, the implementation of the directions concerned in the order shall stand deferred till the next date, said the bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. The bench also issued notices to the centre, the Uttar Pradesh government and the Hindu petitioners on the mosque panel's plea against the High Court order for the scientific survey and carbon dating of shivling. The centre and the Uttar Pradesh government have both agreed for adjourning the proposed scientific survey of shivling for the time being. The shivling was found earlier this year during a video survey carried out in the Gyanvapi temple complex following the orders of a lower court in Varanasi. The mosque authorities have objected to a scientific investigation, arguing that the object being called a shivling is actually a fountain for ritual ablutions. The mosque, located next to the iconic Kashi Vishwanath temple, has been one of the 3 temple mosques rose besides Ayodhya and Mathura, which the BJP raised in the 1980s and 90s, gaining national prominence. The decades-old legal dispute over the issue escalated after the Supreme Court's judgment in favor of a temple in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid issue.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.